Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can enter your Visa gift card to your PlayStation 5. Simply turn on your PlayStation 5 and make sure that you are signed in to your account, and the next step is navigate to the PlayStation Store from your home screen and simply select your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From there, you need to look for the option of payment methods or wallet option and select it. Choose the option to add a payment method or add a card. You will be prompted to enter the card details. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV on the back of the card. Enter the correct information from your Visa gift card. You may also need to enter your billing information such as your name and address. Once you have entered all the necessary details, confirm and save the information. If you want to use the Visa gift card as your default payment method, you can usually set it as such in your payment methods. After you have added and set up the card, you can confirm and complete the process. So that's the whole process of how you can enter Vanilla Visa gift card to your PlayStation 5.